Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video I am going to be trying an Ayurvedic hair mask by Henna Sooq. This is their CocoVeda hair mask. I got this mask on Black Friday and I am super duper excited to try this hair mask here. Around the later part of 2020, I started incorporating these Ayurvedic herbs into my regimen, and I kind of got away from it around the holidays. So now I am back and I am wanting to start back incorporating these herbs into my routine. I have already co-washed my hair using the Cleansing Conditioning Co-Wash by Henna Sooq, and this is what that looks like. And I really do like this co-wash because it is very moisturizing and it gives you that tingling feeling. So I am going to go ahead and open up this mask so you guys can see what it looks like. And as you can see, like, it really doesn't look appealing at all, but you know, you got to think about the benefits for your hair. So and I will say that it smells like really earthy and herbally. Like, there's no added fragrance or anything to it. Like, it smells like the earth. So I am going to just go ahead and take my little bun down so I can go ahead and start applying this mask to my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like with no product in it after co-washing with the Cleansing Conditioning Co-Wash. This deep conditioner is infused with 5 strengthening herbs, which include henna, amla, shikakai, bhringraj, and brahmi herbal powders for a deep conditioning hair strengthening treatment. Not only will your hair be moisturized from root to ends, hair will feel thicker, fuller, and detangled. This deep conditioner claims to heal dry, damaged hair, nourish each strand, provide fuller hair, repair and restore hair strands, and have stronger, longer hair. So the instructions advise to ideally pre-wash your hair with one of the hair washes or shampoo bars from their site. Like I stated, I use the Cleansing Conditioning Co-Wash that is infused with shikakai and peppermint. Apply moderate amount onto your damp hair strands from roots to ends of your hair. It is recommended to section your hair to get best coverage. Once completely covered, wrap your hair in a shower cap or hair wrap. If you have low porosity hair, you may use a heat cap or steamer for better penetration. It says to leave on for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse out thoroughly using the Cleansing Co-Wash. Moisturize, dry, and style as usual. So I am done applying this mask to my hair. So now I'm just going to kind of massage my scalp just to make sure that all the goodness is absorbed into my hair strands and my scalp. And one thing I do want to add is that you want to make sure that you put like old towels or old sheets down on the floor when applying this, because there are little clumps inside the mask that fall on the floor, and it just gets a little messy. So I am going to put my hair up in a little bun slash ball situation. Twist that up. This is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to put my plastic cap on and let this sit for about maybe 1 to 2 hours. So once the mask has set in my hair for about 1 to 2 hours, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like. Okay, so it is actually 2.5 hours later, and I really didn't mean to leave it on that long, but I did. So anyway, I'm just gonna take this cap off so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. Still got my little bun. But yeah, this is what it is looking like. My curls look really defined, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this mask out, and I will insert clips of how my hair looks after it's all rinsed out. So comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried this mask before or any other Ayurvedic herb treatment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.